Understanding excellent work, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, excellent work. This is a common expression you'll hear in various contexts, especially in educational or professional settings. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Excellent work is a phrase used to praise someone for doing something very well. It's a way of acknowledging their effort, skill, or achievement. This phrase is often used by teachers, bosses, or peers when they are impressed by someone's performance. Key points: praise and acknowledgement. It's all about giving positive feedback. Contexts: common in schools, workplaces, and team projects. Impression: implies high standards and exceptional quality. While excellent work is a straightforward phrase, there are other variations and synonyms you can use to convey a similar meaning. These include 1. Great job. 2. Outstanding performance. 3. Remarkable effort. 4. Superb execution. Each of these phrases has a slightly different nuance but serves the same purpose: to commend someone for their exceptional work. To help you better understand how to use excellent work in everyday conversation, here are a few examples. After reviewing a project, you've done an excellent work on this report. The details are impressive. In a classroom setting, that was an excellent work on your science project. You really researched well. Giving feedback to a colleague. Your presentation was clear and informative. Excellent work. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, excellent work, and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, acknowledging others' efforts with phrases like this not only improves communication but also builds positive relationships. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using excellent work like a native speaker. See you in our next lesson.